The Mumbai-based man and former Wells Fargo VP accused of urinating on a woman co-passenger during an Air India flight has been arrested from Bengaluru after absconding for several days. A Delhi police team had been trying to zero in on his location through Friday night. The Bengaluru police assisted the Delhi police in arresting Shankar Mishra from Sanjay Nagar area in the city. According to some reports, the accused Shankar Mishra was putting up at a homestay in Bengaluru when he was nabbed, while other reports suggest that he was putting up at his sister's place. He has now been brought to Delhi from Bengaluru after days of search. After the incident of Mishra allegedly urinating on his co-passenger was reported, the Delhi police on January 5th had issued a lookout notice to the concerned authorities after filing a case of sexual harassment and obscenity against him. The arrest comes days after he was sacked by Wells Fargo, the California-headquartered multinational financial services company. Wells Fargo holds employees to the highest standards of professional and personal behavior, and we find these allegations deeply disturbing. This individual has been terminated from Wells Fargo, the company had said in a statement. On Friday, the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, in an advisory, asked the airlines to file a complaint anytime a passenger has been found to be unruly on board. The aviation regulator warned them of strict actions if found not complying with the regulations on flight safety. On November 26, Shankar Mishra, allegedly drunk, unzipped and urinated on the woman. He was allowed to leave without any action. Air India filed a complaint on January 4th only. The airline defended the delay, saying it had believed the woman and the offender had settled the matter. Shankar Mishra had made a similar claim in a statement through his lawyers Ishani Sharma and Akshat Bajpai. The WhatsApp messages between the accused and the lady clearly show that the accused had got the clothes and bags cleaned on November 28th and the same was delivered on November 30th, he said. The lady's persisting grievance was only with respect to the adequate compensation being paid by the airline, for which she had raised a subsequent complaint on December 20th, the statement added. He claimed that he had paid the money agreed upon by both the sides on Paytm on November 28th, but after almost a month on December 19th, the woman's daughter returned the money. A case was registered against Shankar Mishra under Indian Penal Code Section 294, Obscene Act in Public Place, 354, Assault a Criminal Force to Woman with Intent to Outrage Her Modesty, 509, Word, Gesture or Act intended to insult the modesty of a woman, and 510, Misconduct in Public by a drunken person, as well as under aircraft rules.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.